The mountain fortress. Deep within the Arctic Circle, the gears of the NATO alliance are turning at a fever pitch. In early 2026, the focus has shifted to the snowy peaks of northern Norway for exercise cold response. This isn't just a training drill. It is a massive demonstration of host nation support and rapid reinforcement. Thousands of U.S. Marines from the 2nd Marine Logistics Group have arrived to fall in on equipment stored for decades in climate-controlled mountain caves. These pre-positioned stocks allow a full Marine air-ground task force to transition from a flight across the Atlantic to combat-ready status in record time. As temperatures drop well below zero, the primary mission is clear: validate the Arctic Sentry framework and ensure that the northern flank of the alliance is an impenetrable wall against any potential aggression in the high north. Combat-ready in the deep freeze survival in the Arctic is a mechanical struggle as much as a tactical one. In the staging areas of Sørreisa, Marines are working around the clock to winterize hundreds of tactical vehicles, attaching heavy-duty snow chains and conducting vital fluid checks is the difference between a mobile force and a frozen one. This logistical backbone is what enables the high-intensity maneuvers involving over 30,000 troops from 14 nations. By integrating U.S. armor with Norwegian and Finnish defense plans, NATO is proving that its most modern assets, including F-35s and HIMARS, can operate seamlessly in the most lethal environments on Earth. As the field exercise peaks this March, the message to the world is undeniable. The alliance is not just present in the Arctic. It has mastered the environment, and it is ready to defend every inch of NATO territory. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, and also please subscribe to our channel so that we can continue to bring you more great stories from the U.S. military and their allies around the world.